learn how to add two numbers. How to add two numbers using a Python program. So we will write a Python program to add two numbers. In Python, how to write the comment? We write the comment using hash, adding two numbers. Now I am taking x is equal to input. This is the function that we use to take input into a variable from the user end. Again, y is equal to input. Now I have taken, now print the sum. Using run module or F5. If you press, then it will be running. It will ask for saving. Click OK. It is asking us to enter two values. I am entering 8 and 8. 8 and 8 should become 16, but we got 88. What is the flaw? What is the flaw? What is the error in the program? So whatever the values that we are giving, it is taking as string x. It is storing a string into x and a string into y and concatenating whenever we are saying x plus y. So how to rectify this? For that we have to put int before that. Now we have to put int before that. Now if you run this program, let us see will it run properly or not. I am entered 8 and 8 again. Now what will be the total? Total is 16. We got the proper output. So our program executed properly. Everything is fine and good. Okay? Is it clear? This is the method of writing programs. So program in Python, default data type is string. So whatever you give input, that will be stored in the form of string. For that you need to convert into the data type of your choice using proper functions. This is a small program in Python. Thank you.